So what better way to review the Lowepro Fastpack backpack for DLSR systems than on an actual walk? First, let's have a look at the top compartments. The first one is an excellent zip compartment, nice and spacious. That's where the waterproof container goes, and the all-weather case. I have equipment such as gloves, a night light in here. If you like, this is the dirty pocket. Now let's take a look at what I refer to as the gadget pocket. This is where I keep my filters, some KNF filters, spare batteries, camera cleaning equipment, cloths, etc. And also my trusty little G9X power shot, which some of this video has been shot on. Now let's take a look at the main pocket. This is where the DLSR itself is stored, and I've got this divided into compartments. So what I have here is my lens. This is my 18-135. My 10-18 is actually on the camera at the moment. My 90D body goes and fits within this particular compartment here. There's also spare segmenting compartments, and I keep my microphone in this pocket, in this compartment here. You can divide this as much as you want. Once I get my next lens, which I'm hoping will be the 150-600 Sigma, that will fit nicely in there, and then I will recompartmentalize this to fit my speaker in as well as my 3 lenses. One other compartment I want to cover, and that's the rear compartment. In here I actually have an iPad which you can get in there easy peasy, and that will easily also fit in a laptop such as a 15.6 inch or a 13 inch with no problem whatsoever. I also put a water bladder in there, which is brilliant for the longer walks, and it fits it again. It keeps it separate from all the other components that you might want to store within the bag. So how about comfort? I'm finding this extremely comfortable. The straps are all adjustable, both on the shoulders. There's a waist strap, and there's also a chest strap, which makes it super comfy to carry. And in fact, on a long hike, when carrying a lot of equipment, you hardly realise that you're carrying it. There's a side compartment there for a water bottle. The one downside that I would say is I carry my tripod along the bottom. If it had a strap here, I would be able to carry my tripod more successfully because I have a full-size tripod. This one strap and this pocket is fine for a small mini tripod, but it's not really suitable for a full-size tripod. So I end up carrying it horizontally rather than vertically. So one other major advantage of this, certainly within Europe, is that it fits on as hand luggage onto most flights, meaning that you can actually carry your laptop, some gadgets, and all your valuable camera equipment on the flight as hand luggage and not having to check it into the hold. So in conclusion, do I recommend the Lowepro Fastpack? Absolutely. It's super light, super flexible, comfortable, has all of the right pockets for all of the right equipment, easily accessible, and is perfect for a day of photography on walks, and can be used for travel photography as well. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think of this bag and your experiences.